We are here for our DVC stay at Disney's Polynesian. Right now, they are redoing the monorail station at the Grand Ceremonial House, aka the lobby. But so this front entrance is not accessible. So we came in around the side. But here is the check-in area. Their beautiful Christmas tree with all of the pretty Hawaiian flowers and bright colors. So pretty. I love it. We checked in on the app on My Disney Experience. Our room is ready. We just came over from the park, so we wanted to stop in to the store. And if I can find Corey, I'll show you what we bought. There he is. Corey, I want to show what we bought.
Oh yeah. So it's wrapped up right now.
Oh, okay. Here he is.
All right, this is what we got. The Polynesian ornament.
And it lights up. So,
that's pretty cool.
It's kind of hard to tell, huh?
Not in person, maybe on the camera.
Yeah, it
Cute.
does light up, so.
Yeah.
This is like, maybe, I don't know, the third or fourth ornament we've bought so far on this Christmas trip.
We were talking about how we wanted to get a few ornaments, so
yeah.
we made quick work of that.
Upstairs there is where you would typically take the monorail. However, you can just walk over to the Ticket and Transportation Center, which is close to the DVC side, so it'll be easy for us. Up there is Kona Grill. We do have a reservation for breakfast there one morning. And then up there, up the stairs, you go up the stairs, over there. Ohana is closed right now. We are staying in the Murea building. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but it is closest to the Ticket and Transportation Center for the monorail, so it'll be good. And we will be back to enjoy this pool on our trip. So fun. I'm for sure going down that slide.
Yeah.
You betcha.
Looks pretty cool.
There is the Grand Floridian over there. You can actually walk over there from here, which is nice. Of course, you can see the castle. There she is. We will probably be able to see the little every 15-minute firework go off at Magic Kingdom, but normally this beach is my all-time favorite place to be on Disney property and watch the fireworks when they go off as normal, but we will be back here too. Those are the overwater bungalows, DVC rooms. Maybe someday, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know though.
For the two of us, you know, that'd be a pretty big spot.
Yeah. Welcome home.
All right, look at this.
All right, come on in. So we are at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. We are in a deluxe studio room. So right when you walk in, there is a nice hallway. And here is the first bathroom. The nice thing about this room is there is a split bathroom. So we have toilet, regular tub with shower in here. Really cute mermaid art to go with the whole Polynesian theme. One vanity sink area in here with all of the H2O products, which is nice. I love having these. And then you come out here into the other part of the bathroom. So another vanity so people can get ready and shower at the same time, which is really nice. This shower has the rain shower and normal, and you got a little bench as well. then behind you is the closet with the safe and the iron, laundry basket, extra blankets, this thing for luggage if you'd like.
Okay.
And then here is the kitchenette. So this is really nice for the DVC rooms. There's microwave, coffee pot, toaster.
Joffrey's coffee.
Joffrey's, of course. Mini fridge. And then you do have all of the paper products. Paper towels, plates, cups. And then they do give, you know, soap and stuff if you wanted to do any sort of dishes or anything. So that's really nice to have. Come on into the room. It's very spacious, which is so nice. This room actually will accommodate 5 because you have the 1 queen bed here. This pulls out into a queen sleeper. And then you have this,
that's pretty
which
cool.
pulls out into a twin sleeper. So that's kind of nice. And there is Lilo and Stitch in their hammock. So cute. This is a twin sleeper. I mean, I fit on this.
Yeah.
I'm like 5'2".
You could sleep there if you want.
I'm not sleeping here, but I do fit. And then there is the coffee table, which also has storage,
Yeah.
which is nice. Table and chairs. Of course, the infamous lamp for the Polynesian. The nightstands have the
little plug-ins down there.
Yeah, the USBs
nice.
and plug-ins. Everything is marked clean right now. They're going above and beyond, of course, with the cleaning and sanitation. And then this is really a beautiful painting. These are like
More wall art.
overwater bungalows, and it's really pretty.
And then
Here's actually some more art too, like the tiki room. I just love all the vibrant colors and the theme. This is by far my favorite Disney resort as far as theming goes.
yeah, it's fun.
And then you come on out.
Ooh, big patio.
Huge patio.
Yep.
So we have a standard view. So standard view is just going to be like garden view.
Little courtyard area.
Yeah.
I think at night that tiki torch will be going, which
Yes.
will be cool.
Yes, it will be. And then one other thing to note is that we have a handicap room, and Corey noticed that because our door is automatic and we do not have the storage under the bed. So typically that's something that rooms would have, but we are in a handicap room. So it's no big deal to us. We have plenty of room for our luggage with just the 2 of us. So we love this room. This is our first Disney Vacation Club stay here. You can book these room types on cash. So if this is somewhere that you wanted to stay, you can contact me and Tiffany, and we can help you with that. The actual hotel rooms at the Polynesian, like the Polynesian Village Resort, are closed right now. They're doing a little bit of construction and things like I mentioned. So those will be open summer 2021, but you still can stay in the villas. So these are perfect. Pools are still open. Most restaurants are still open, and we are so excited to stay here. So we will share more. We'll be swimming. We'll be eating, drinking, and having fun here at the Poly, so stay tuned.